Hey everyone, Donald J. Brower, GuardiansNJSWrestling.com podcast nearfall. It is states. We are here at the finals. I'm going to be interviewing everyone. We have it all set up. We are actually ready to kick off. I got a chance to catch up with some medalists before. I'm going to catch up with the finalists. But for this podcast, I want to do a couple little things. I wanted to highlight some of the other stuff. We have the Parade of Champions. We also have my footage of Joe Hoffman with his getting his award for media. And unfortunately, my camera was full, but Sean Smythe is the Coach of the Year for the state from Mount Olive. This is kind of my highlights and some of my stuff for the tournament, so I really hope you enjoy some of the sights and sounds of the states. Well, that wraps it up from the state tournament. Great day of wrestling. Some new champs, some surprises. I have all the footage up with the medalists and the champions, second place. I didn't want to bother too many second place people, especially coming off, but tried to get what I could. But listen, it's been a great season. I loved it. I hope everybody enjoys it. I will see you guys soon enough with my year-end stuff. For Jared, the podcasting legend, and my lovely wife, Amanda, who filmed some of the interviews, I'm Donald J. Brower. Check out my stuff coming up soon. I'll see you at Matside.